Hello everyone. In today's session, we're going to explore practical ways to apply AI to trading, specifically how AI can help us analyze charts, discover patterns, and quickly backtest ideas. If you're new to trading, reading price action and spotting buy-sell zones can feel overwhelming. The good news, AI can accelerate the entire process, from turning an idea into code to testing it on real market data. We'll combine ChatGPT with TradingView. Inside TradingView, there's a built-in code editor called the Pine editor. With it, we can write Pine script to analyze price action automatically, generate trading signals, and backtest strategies fast. Backtesting lets us simulate how a strategy would have performed over a past period. We can choose a time frame, run the strategy, and get metrics such as profit, drawdown, and win rate. This helps us understand whether an idea is promising or risky before risking real money. TradingView aggregates data for many markets: crypto, like Bitcoin, stocks, commodities, like gold, and more. The same strategy logic can be tested across different symbols and timeframes to see where it works best. Once a strategy is working, you can go further. TradingView can trigger alerts that call a webhook API. That means you can connect those alerts to your bot or automation stack and place buy-sell orders programmatically. What used to require heavy engineering now can be configured by non-developers using AI-assisted code and simple integrations. 1. Core chart concepts. Quick refresher. Candles. Each candle shows open, high, low, close over a period, e.g., 4H. Volume. How much was traded in that period? Useful for confirming moves. Moving averages. MA. E.g., MA20, MA100, MA200, averages of the last N closes. Bollinger Bands, a channel around price that expands contracts with volatility. RSI, Relative Strength Index, measures momentum. Typical thresholds are 30 oversold and 70 overbought. You can learn these quickly. Just remember the keywords MA, RSI, Bollinger Bands. Most indicators are built from price and volume. 2. A simple RSI strategy to start. A classic beginner strategy uses RSI extremes. Buy when RSI crosses up through 30, oversold recovering. Sell short when RSI crosses down through 70, overbought fading. To increase reliability, we can require a double confirmation. For example, RSI crosses the threshold twice before entering. This can filter out some noise. 3. Implementing in TradingView with AI help. Step by step. Open TradingView. Choose your symbol, e.g. BTC/USDT, and time frame. Open Pine Editor, bottom panel. Create a new script. Delete the default code. Use ChatGPT to generate PineScript v6 from your requirements. For example, PineScript v6 strategy. Go long when RSI crosses up through 30 twice. Go short when RSI crosses down through 70 twice. Include inputs for TPSL by percent. Break even, BE offset, and max holding time in minutes. Paste the code into Pine Editor and save. Name it clearly so you can find it. If there's a compile error, copy the error message back to ChatGPT and ask it to fix the code. Replace the code and save again. Click Add to Chart to run the backtest. Open the strategy settings, gear icon, to adjust parameters, RSI length and thresholds, 30/70. Confirmations, e.g., require 2 crosses. Take profit stop loss as percentages. Break even when unrealized profit hits a threshold, e.g. 0.5% or 1%. Move stop to entry, plus offset to cover fees. Max holding, auto close after N minutes. Pyramiding, usually 0 while testing. Commission, add realistic fees so metrics are accurate. 4. Backtesting and tuning. Test across multiple timeframes, 15M, 1H, 4H, 1D. Some ideas work best on specific horizons. Review the performance report. Net profit, drawdown, win rate, profit factor, average trade, etc. If results are weak, tweak. Fewer, more confirmations. Wider, narrower TPSL. Different RSI thresholds. Enhancing the strategy. Stock plus MA cross idea. To improve signal quality, combine indicators. Stochastic %K and %D cross can give early momentum shifts. Combine with an MA cross, e.g. price above MA to only take longs, below MA to only take shorts. Example logic. Enter long when stock %K crosses above %D in an oversold region and price is above MA. Exit or short on the opposite condition. In many tests, this kind of multi-condition approach can outperform a basic RSI-only rule on certain symbols/timeframes. 6. Risk management examples. Asymmetric TPSL. For momentum setups, you might use SL equals 1% and TP equals 5%. Risk small, aim bigger. Break even, BE. After, say, plus 0.5, move stop to entry plus offset to cover fees and protect capital. Trailing or time-based exit. Avoid over-managing too soon. For example, don't touch stops for the first N candles to let trades breathe. Position sizing. In strategy properties, choose a fixed size or a percent of equity, e.g. 10% per trade. 7. From backtest to automation. When your backtests look good, convert strategy signals to alerts, e.g. when long-short conditions trigger. Use TradingView webhook alerts to call your server /n8n/Zapier/Exchange API. Your bot receives the signal and places buy/sell orders. Always test on paper trading/sandbox before going live. 8. Troubleshooting with AI. If PineScript throws an error, copy the exact error text and ask ChatGPT to fix it. Iterate quickly. Paste error, get a revised snippet, replace, save, and test again. With this loop, even non-coders can build, debug, and evolve strategies. 9. Practical demo flow, what the video will show. Open BTC chart. Pine editor, new script. Paste AI-generated RSI double-cross strategy. Save add to chart. Open strategy settings. Adjust RSI thresholds, confirmations. Equals 2, TP/SL, BE offset, max holding run backtest on 15 mils, 1 hours, 1D, and compare results. Swap to the enhanced stock plus MA strategy and retest. Show how to add alerts for automation.
As a bonus, I've prepared a free PineScript template for a trading strategy using moving averages plus stochastic cross. You can download it directly from the link in the video description. Feel free to copy it, test it on TradingView, and customize it with your own conditions. That's it for today's walkthrough. With AI plus TradingView, you can transform ideas into testable strategies in minutes, refine them with data, and even automate execution via alerts and bots. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more AI-powered trading tutorials. See you in the next video.